Any mention? Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, 10, 11, Your Lordship. It is a connected matter, Your Lordship.
And for item number 9, Lordship.
These are all connected matters.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Got petition seeking quashing.
Yes, Your Lordship. It is for quashing of the entire criminal proceedings, Your Lordship.
Other side state. In all three matters you were there.
No, Lordship. Item 9, Lordship.
Only 9.
Then who were there in
10 and 11 is, Sir, and Sinkan is appearing, Your Lordship. Sir, and Sinkan.
Will inform
We will inform Your Lordship.
There will be no objection.
No.
Okay. 1911 on the request meeting. On the petitioner list after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why 3 weeks?
Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship. I've informed the private respondent also. I pray let the matter may come after 2 weeks.
Why? What is the matter about?
This is actually, this is for questioning of the FIR. Where the charge sheet already submitted. Actually, in the charge sheet, they have clearly mentioned that I'm not the main accused. They said somebody, but that main accused, which as per the charge sheet, he says that it is they have not still absconded.
There is no compromise between the parties. Is there any
That
compromise?
absconder is not before this court,
Absconder is not before this court.
Your Lordship. But the charge sheet has been submitted against absconder also. That is the case.
There is no charge sheet against you.
Lordship.
There is no charge sheet against you.
It is, but in the charge it clearly mentioned the main accused. They said I'm not the main accused, but my name was there in the charge
Person
sheet.
who absconded is the meaning.
Yes, the police has stated in the IO report.
Yes, madam. Prayer has been made. Time. He's asking for time.
Yes, Lordship, I am seeking time today.
No objection, Lordship.
Lordship.
You are for the private respondent. Just 2 weeks on the request made on behalf of the petitioner. Okay, 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Madam.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
For item number 5, there is some new development in this case. Basically, the FIR was filed because I am a defaulter in payment of some excise duty. So, my lord, now we are in the talks of settlement with the government, my lord. So, that will have a bearing on this case.
Matter can be settled. It's compounded.
It appears. Just give me 2 weeks, my lord, in the meantime.
So we'll record it that there is a
There is, my lord. There is. We are on talks.
learned counsels appearing for the party. Appearing for the parties. Admit that there is a likelihood of amicable settlement in the matter. And for that some time is required. Release this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. 3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. In the meanwhile, the petitioners, the parties may settle the matter outside the court.
Much obliged.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship, beg to mention item number 6.
Item number?
The item number 6, Your Lordship. I pray that the matter be listed after 3 weeks' time.
No objection, Lordship.
What is the matter about? What is
It's a 354 matter, Lordship. Smaller station.
this application is for quashing?
It's a criminal revision, Lordship. It's for question.
Revision against what?
Criminal revision for setting aside the order passed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate. The charges are framed against Pushpita Das.
Achha, she is coming. Is Pushpita is not female. This 354 is against.
Yes.
Okay. After 2 weeks.
3 weeks' time, Your
Why
Lordship.
3 weeks? Why is long time? 2 weeks. For the request, the learning counsel of the petition.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship.
Nothing will remain in the list.
Lordship.
You are appearing for the appellant.
Yes, Lordship.
This conviction under
376, 323, and 506, Lordship.
you are inside
Yes,
jail.
Lordship.
No problem, Your Lordship. He's still on.
The accused in custody, so you will
Yeah,
not have
he's
any
in
problem.
custody. If they are not in hurry, or
Just on the request made on behalf of the appellant, release this matter after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
apply.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 13. Your Lordship, I have instructions to file an affidavit if we may be granted some time.
What is this matter, Mr. Panthi?
This is, my lord, it's a quashing, my lord.
You are private. You are the complainant.
Yes, yeah.
Complainant.
The complainant.
482.
482.
So what for you one time?
Your Lordship, to file an, I have instructions to file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Affidavit against the petition, the objection. Who is appellant? State. You are there, Mr. That opportunity was not granted to you before. Just wait. Let the matter come out.
Actually, initially they had not appeared, you know, my lord. Subsequently they came. In fact, the victim has not been represented in this case, my lord.
So this matter was listed for hearing before their appearance before this court.
Lordship.
Is it?
Lordship.
Just wait. Let the matter come out. We'll just.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of the part 2 of the hearing list, item number 12, Your Lordship. It's for quashing of the FIR. If this matter may be taken up next week, Your Lordship.
You are for the state.
I'm for the state, yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, it is that case. You are supposed to take instruction.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have not taken any instruction.
I have received the instruction, but I could not go through the instructions. So, if this matter may be taken up
You could not
next
go
week.
through the instruction. This is whether it is been charged sheeted or not.
No, not yet.
No objection, Your Lordship.
You say after 2 weeks on the
Hello,
request made
please,
on
Your
behalf of the state respondents. It's difficult, you see. If this adjournment goes on like this, quite difficult.
So I apologize, Your Lordship.
Not a good sign.
Supplementary causeless. Item number 1.
Yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, the petitioner has filed this application praying for quashing of an FIR. Lordship, the FIR starts from page number 16. The contention of this FIR is this: the complainant has, the informant has filed this FIR on behalf of an lady who claims to be the who claims that that her husband is the owner of this property, and the petitioners have wrongfully mutated the property in their name. Lordship, from page 16 the FIR starts. Lordship, this is completely a civil dispute, Lordship, which has been wrongfully portrayed as a criminal matter. Lordship, after the registration of this FIR, the petitioners had approached this honorable court and has got bail also. Lordship, at page number, Lordship has gone to the FIR.
Yes, this FIR seems to be quite long, Mr.
Yes, Lordship. The contention is.
So you will not take us to the FIR. No,
Yes,
it's
yes.
not needed.
No.
The contents
16,
of the
from
FIR.
page 16, the contention of this. I have just briefly stated the contents of the FIR, Lordship.
The contents of the FIR speaks about civil dispute.
Civil dispute, Lordship.
Oh, this is with regard to some eviction.
My
Yes.
lord, there is already a writ petition pending before court number 2, my lord.
Writ petition?
My lord, yes, in which the same person, my lord, has approached
The
this
parties
honorable
are
court
same, but the
saying
facts
that
are
the police has misused their authority, my lord, and they have manhandled the petitioner. They have trespassed their property.
There is
But
an allegation.
my lord, yes. However, my lord, what really happened in that case, in which we have already filed our affidavit, saying that this petitioner before your lordship today, my lord, she is a tenant, my lord, and a senior citizen who is the owner of the property. My lord, her husband is deceased, my lord, is already
That is
dead.
all right, but then
So,
the
my lord,
fact-
that is the entire. She is
fact-
actually not the owner of the property.
Fact remains this FIR stands against her.
My lord,
isn't it?
yes, and they have to this
Whether
date,
she
my
is
lord.
owner or tenant, will not
My
decide
lord,
that.
and my lord, if
Just
lord,
only we'll see what is the allegation in there.
and my lord, one more thing, my lord, there are a number of matters pending before this court also, in which this particular petitioner has been made party to the case, my lord, in which they have misappropriated and acquired, my lord, fraudulent documents, my lord. That is, my lord will recollect the criminal petition number 87 and 89, which is coming on the 20th of March before this court, my lord, in which they are private respondent, my lord, in which all these people has also made an allegation that the petitioner before lordship today has been involved in all this kind of acquiring a fraudulent document, my lord.
So that means there is allegation and counter allegation.
My lord, yes.
So in that case, they have appeared.
My lord, they have been represented, if I'm not mistaken, my lord, because, yes, my lord, they have been represented in the criminal petition number
What is the stage
87,
of that
89.
case?
My lord, it's for hearing. 87 is Senkal M. Sangma, 89 is Nanda Ram Acharya.
Is it connected to the same FIR?
My lord, they are part of this, my lord. They have been made a private parties, my lord, private respondent in the petitions.
Are you sure these are the?
They have made a party.
You do
my
not
lord.
have any information.
I don't have any
Because, my lord,
instruction regarding this.
Because Mr. Paske is appearing in that petition, my lord, for the private respondents.
My lord, I humbly beg to I beg to state that I am not connected with all these cases, and today the case for which I am before your lordship, it is only completely on a different plane. Lordship, the FIR states that I have wrongfully mutated my name in the disputed land. However, lordship, this I have proper documents, and the mutation has been done way back. Lordship, I have inherited this property from my grandfather.
If it is allegation is against mutation, how a FIR will lie? That
Exactly, lordship. This is lordship. I will take you, lordship. Kindly come to lordship, page number 21, lordship. For a moment, lordship. Page number 21. This is the observation of this honorable court while this anticipatory bail was granted. Paragraph number 5, lordship.
this anticipatory bail was
Anticipatory bail of this FIR, in this FIR, and this honorable court has observed. I will read this line. The court, after giving due consideration to the submissions made and
which page you are reading?
My lord,
page number
page
21.
21, para 5.
Cool, see, don't get excited.
Lordship,
Page 21, para 5.
Just tell us.
lordship, para 5, lordship. I will read the
There will be objection from them. Just
lordship, definitely, lordship. So, this court, after giving due consideration to the submissions made and taking note of the contents of the said FIR, would agree with the parties that prima facie it does appear to be a case of civil dispute for which the parties have an alternative remedy to take recourse to. And lordship, in furtherance to this, lordship, a title suit is already pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Tura.
title suit cannot be before Chief Judicial Magistrate.
Assistant to the assistant to the Deputy Commissioner, lordship. So, lordship, my humble submission at this stage is this, lordship, that already this is a civil dispute, and Apex Court
How
has
many petitioners are there? 2 petitioners.
joined their husband and wife, lordship.
And you are
I'm representing both the petitioners
Anu Jain
and Sumit Jain Bora.
come to the FIR. Are you named there in this? Okay.
I'm the named person in the FIR, lordship.
And this anticipatory bail is with regard to you, isn't it?
Yes, one more bail was taken from the Chief Judicial Magistrate Tura.
Yes, Ms. Colony, will issue
My
notice.
lord, I'll be taking notice on behalf of respondent number 1 only, my lord. 2 is the complainant.
Lordship, my interim prayer may be
My lord, if this
You
interim
are on bail
prayer,
and this is on 14 March 2023, more than a year.
and my lord, in the other
Wait till
case,
the returnable. See, you have taken 1 year to come to this court.
Lordship.
You can wait for another 1 month. There is
my lord, this will affect the other case which is pending, my lord. If it state, my lord,
Issuance of
because in the
notice,
other court, my lord, they are praying that the investigation should be completed
other matter is pending before this court.
before court number 2, my lord. So we are
are not
at the
connected
stage, my
cases,
lord, very
lordship.
much connected, my lord.
No, lordship.
So, my lord, we are at the
different plots
stage
of
of
land.
completion the charge sheet.
That petition is pertaining to another Plot of land,
This
Lordship.
is the FIR, my
You
lord,
do
which we
one
have
thing.
included.
See, Miss Colony, we will issue notice right
My
now.
lord, my lord.
And then you can file your reply.
My
That
lord.
will be open to you. Okay. If you find that it should be clubbed together with that matter, that also can be done.
My lord,
If need be.
my lord, let the complaint also appear, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, it can
Definitely,
be decided by this court. If it's need be, my lord, it will be clubbed.
Medi,
Lordship, Dr. P.B. Mehdi.
Dr. P.P. Medi, Honored Counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice, returnable in 3 weeks. Miss Colony. You are GA or PP or
My lord, still GA.
still GA? There is no change in designation.
No, my lord, I'm still in the same position.
So APS for the response number 1, and as such no formal notice is called for in respect of this. However, the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the response number 2 within 2 days.
I'm deeply obliged. Lordship.
Daily list,
List of
item number 1.
proceedings.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
The respondent filed their affidavit
More
in
time to
opposition to
file
this
the
matter
affidavit
since
of
November.
opposition,
You
lordship.
have not filed affidavit of
No,
opposition.
lordship. Some more time, lordship.
How long will it take?
3 times, lordship.
Already 5 months, my lord. And my lord, the trial is
lordship.
going at a in a very fast track manner. My lord, this is the petition which previously I had to withdraw and file afresh. So in the previous petition, they had already filed the affidavit in opposition. It's one in the same affidavit which needs to be
State is
filed.
not filing any
No,
affidavit?
we are not filing it. We will rely on the material and the repetition.
Just another 2 weeks is granted.
Lordship.
It may be reflected as last chance, my lord.
We'll see to that.
It's been 5 months, my lord, that's why. Similar matter is pending before your lordships.
After 5 years, we'll pass that order. Anyway, let us see. Just see. There must be some difficulty. We'll give.
Yes, lordship.
What is it? Another 2 weeks time is granted. Yes, straight for.
Weeks, lordship.
By the Landed Council for the response number 2. Another 2 weeks time is granted
Highly appreciated.
for filing of affidavit of opposition in the matter. Yes. We'll see, Ms. Agarwal. Let's later. Next.
Item, my lord, obliged.
Yes.
I am entering appearance for private respondent 2, 3 and 4, Lordship.
Who is appearing with the petitioner? A.R. Pasa. Who is Mr. A.R. Pasa?
Nothing is here, Lordship.
You don't know him, Mr. Pasa?
He's from the chambers of Sir Pelang, Nongbri.
So he'll appear for lesson number 2, 3 and 4.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner. Mr. Please give your name.
R. Kharkran.
Enters appearance on behalf of the respondent number 2, 3 and 4. You are there. We'll just say Mr. Momin, A. Momin. Mr. A. Momin is present on behalf of the state respondent number 1, state respondent number 1, isn't it? What is to be done?
It comes up for hearing, Lordship.
You are not filing any objection.
No, Lordship.
With any absence of petitioner? We'll just see these things. Yeah. Because if we pass an order for listing it hearing, it should be passed in presence of the petitioner.
Right.
Just say list this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Hearing item number 13.